everyone. I have a few items that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I think I'm missing a couple items like those mugs up there, which she's going to bring to me. But in the meantime, I know you guys have seen these before. They're the stackable little, these are so cute because you can stack them and you can put like different goodies in it for your loved one or even your grandmother, or taking it to a nursing home. You can do cookies and candies and just put them in there. They're so cute, and like I said, they're stackable. They're $1.25, of course, as we know. So that's one of the things that you can buy and use as a gift. They also had these right here. They had a lot of different mugs with a lot of different sayings on them. And my daughter's gonna get those too. They're back there, hon, behind that shelf over there. Yeah, so these are really cute. I'd heard somebody talk about the gold one, and it does really dress it up. And you can put candies in there. You can put coffee pots in there. This is just such a really cute little item to have around, just to add sugars in it and put it on your coffee table. Not coffee table, but your little coffee booth. Yes, how cute is that? That's really cute. Okay, and then I got this because I saw another crafter and she put her Mod Podge in here. That way it saves it some and you can squeeze it out. So I did pick up some of these ketchup bottles. I guess ketchup or mustard or anything you want to put in them. So 2 for $1.25. Great deal. Okay, the cutest thing ever is this cute little snowman mug. Look how cute this is. It's got a little nose and it's really big. I like that it's big because you can put hot chocolate in it and put marshmallows and just so many cool items to put in your mug. Is he not cute? And they're hard to find, so when you find them, you might want to pick up a bunch. I picked up a bunch for my family, so I picked up like 8 of them just to have them on hand, because every time I do chocolate for my little kids, it's like these little mugs like this. These are great mugs, but probably for coffee maybe, or tea. So this says North Pole Bed and Breakfast, hot cocoa served here. I like their cute little mugs this year. They did some really nice little designs on them. This one says Cookies for Santa. Look how cute that one is. Should I show one of these, Angelina? This is in one of our videos, so wait to see our video come out. We decorated this. This is the gnome one. Look how cute that one is. You can use these as a DIY and put them in a gift basket. So we will try to link the video below, or if not, just look for it on our channel. This one says hot cocoa served here. This is really cute too. What a fun idea to do with your kids or with your family members. That would be a cute, like, after Thanksgiving thing to do after you're stuffed with turkey and stuffing. Maybe have all these little mugs ready to mix. But like I said, you'll see it in a video. And then they had this one. This is my favorite. Nice until proven naughty. My favorite.
You need a t-shirt that says that.
Yeah. All right. These are always great to have. I have some. I just picked up an extra one because I can put it also, you know, indoors on one of my doors if I wanted one of my doors, like maybe a bathroom door, to have a wreath on it to decorate it. So they have that in gold, they have it in white and red, I believe, and green maybe. Angelina keeps yawning. All right, these are always my favorites. They're big, they're little buckets. Again, you can put cookies in there and give it to somebody and tie a big bow on it, wrap it around, put a bow on it, and you've got a cute little gift. Look at these. We went to, how many different?
Like 3.
We went to 3 different Dollar Tree stores, and look how cute these penguins are. This would be so cute in one of your winter wonderland little themes. They're so cute. They're made so well too. They remind me of the reindeers that I showed you in another video that were acrylic. They were so nice. Then I got some wall art. These are great to do DIYs with on some of your boards, but this one has got like the Santa, the reindeer, Christmas tree. Yeah, this one's really, really cute. And this one's got the gingerbread house on it, so it has some pinks in there, which would be cute if you had a pink, like setting in one of your Christmas little decor groups. And honestly, I was surprised to find these. These are pillowcases made out of burlap, and they're so nice. This one says baked fresh daily gingerbread bacon. This one says fresh cut, Christmas trees, pine, spruce, and fir. I mean, these are really nicely made, guys. What a great item that Dollar Tree came up with. And this one says candy canes. How cute is that one? And this is their famous Farm Fresh red truck, apple cider, and hot cocoa. And I'm going to open one up and show you how big they are, because they're really big. Look how big that one is. You just put some stuff in it, or you have an old pillow. You can cover your old pillows with this. It's got a zipper. They are really nicely made.
It's really big too.
I know. I'm just really surprised, because sometimes you'll see the little ones in it. Okay, and then I got some little crafts. Like I got color your own little ornaments. These are 8 of them. Little wooden Christmas trees. This one is a 3D craft kit. It's got a snowman in it. It's got a little piece of wood where you could stick your little pieces in there, so it actually stands up by itself. Then you can get your fabric gift bags. This is one with trees on it, and this is one that's merry and bright. There's other little ones, so you can put, I mean, you could put little gifts in there. You can put a gift card in there. You can stuff one and use it in a decoration. Stuff it with some of the pillow stuffing. And this I really love. This was finger puppets. It's a little felt finger puppet kit for the kids. It's a Christmas one, but I haven't opened it, but it looks really nice. It does. It looks like it's got good quality in there. And it's like a little fox, a little dog, cat, penguin, and bird. So that's really cool. I think my best find was, I love these. I use these in one of my DIYs. I find these little miniature gates, like a little fence with a gate in the front. These are so cute to put in your DIYs. If you're building any of those village houses, this is perfect. You would need probably maybe 3 or 4 packages to go around the house. I just use it in front of one of mine, which you'll see in a video coming up. And then I got this cute little gnome ribbon. They have great ribbon this year. They have the Santa Claus ribbon. This is the gnome one, which I thought was really cute with the red. Then I picked up this little Christmas tree. It's really cute. It's made out of wood. Thought it's pretty good for $1.25. And of course your little bells, which I'm thinking about painting brown and making them look old. I got 3 of these. Got these pretty little cardinals. You get 2 of them. They had white ones too, white birds. I don't know if they were cardinals, but they had white ones.
Were they doves?
Maybe they were doves, yeah, probably. And I got this little foam scatter, which you can put in one of your vases to fill it up. You can put it in with, they have the little Christmas balls too. Got this pretty little snow greenery. It's got some crystal on it. It's not necessarily, yeah, it is glitter, but not much comes off, which is nice. But it is pretty. I did finally find the wreaths, the green wreaths already made, so I think this was a good find. I bought a couple of these to decorate. Then I found these great placemats. Look how nice these are. These are big. You can, like this is Joy. You can actually glue two of these together and make a pillow if you want, or you can use it as a placemat, but it will make a nice big pillow. If you turn it around, yeah, this one is the little red truck, which I think I will make a pillow out of it because it's just really cool. And like I said, they're big. So for $2.50 to make a pillow, you can take one of your old pillows that maybe you're going to get rid of, cut it open, use the stuffing to fill it, and then glue around the edges. You have a great gift or a pillow for your sofa. Okay, they had these, which I thought were really cool. They had table runners. And I was thinking, how nice that they're like satin. I got the red and I got the green. Not sure how I'm going to use these yet, but they are pretty. You can also cut them up and use them for something else if you wanted to, because satin usually is pretty expensive. Okay, I got, I guess, another one of, this is the gnome one. So this is the walnut, the gnome one, and it's got the little camper and the little barn in it. I don't know if you could see there because they're so little. And candy canes. Were these cheaper, Angelina?
Yeah, they were.
So they're cheaper at Dollar Tree.
Than they are at Walmart.
Yeah, than they are at Walmart. You get 12. So we were trying to figure out. We just picked some up because she's going to make the.
I'm making peppermint bark.
She's making peppermint bark for Christmas. So we picked up those just to see how much the other ones are going to be. And this is a cute little stocking stuffer. My daughter found it. It's so cute. And look how cute this stocking stuffer would be. It's a little mirror, but it looks very fancy. So if you got a little girl and you want to put something in her stocking that's usable, that would be cool.
It has a cute design on the back too.
Okay, I have a couple items from Hobby Lobby because I always have to stop by there too. I got the candy pieces, which you get 6 pieces for $1.50. And you can use those in your crafts.
Cute.
Then I got the fake candy. What is this called?
Peppermint?
Peppermint candy, I guess. It's got little hooks so you could string them if you wanted to. Or you could just use them in a craft. But these were $2.50. Yeah, I picked up the little candy canes. They were, you get 6 of them for $2. They're really nicely made. These are adorable. These are like 6 little gummy bears for $2.50, which you can use in that little mug thing that we showed you when you decorate one of your mugs. They are really cute. And look how cute these little, oh, these are so cute. These are so little. I've already used one. But they were $3 and you get 6 of them. These cute little birds. Got some cute little socks for my son who's coming today from Canada. So he's getting these socks. One of them says Santa Paws and oh snap, they're $1.25. Can't beat that. I needed a little, it's like a ladder. It says Mary Bride. It's already decorated for you, so it was $2. But I thought that was cute. So maybe you set against one of your houses and maybe put Santa on the roof. Wouldn't that be cute?
Mm-hmm.
And then I think this is a great buy. This was a nativity scene. It's got 11 pieces $5. They're big chunky pieces that I'm going to spray paint, but this I think is a great buy. I do. And we always check the clearance center because you never know what they're going to have. So I found this, which I thought was absolutely gorgeous, and it was $5. And it's just, it was regular $16.99. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm not sure why it was there, but for $5, I will take it. It's like a little riser, but it's also got a mirror, and it's also got the little, you know, glitter pattern going around the corners of it. Or going around it. It's round. Anyway, that's it, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you will subscribe because it does help our channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell, and just make comments if you want. Share with your family and friends, and we'd love to hear from you. Okay? I hope you have a great week and take care. Love you. Bye.